How to start Beehiiv newsletter 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to start a Beehiiv newsletter for yourself. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to Beehiiv as we are right now, and you're simply going to click on start writing. Now, once you click on start writing, as you can see, it's going to bring you here. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a proper punchline. So let's say I'm going to call it design. Then you're going to add a subtitle like I'm going to write creative, and you're going to go ahead and start writing and all the widgets in the newsletter that you're going to have, etc. Now, once you've done that, you can also add a thumbnail to your letter. And once you've done all of that, simply click on next. You're going to choose the audience you want to email it to, choose your email, choose how it's supposed to look on the web post settings, review it, and finally send it along. And that is basically how you're going to go ahead and start Beehiiv newsletter in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.